Morning, afternoon, and night, it's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
Happy Tuesday afternoon, everyone. I'm Storm Team Meteorologist Jacob Woods. Most of us stay dry today. There is a very small chance you run into a quick sprinkle, but most of us are going to be reaching those upper 70s with more clouds than sun. Rain chances really ramping up after dinner time tonight. There is at least a slight to marginal risk for some pockets of flooding as we go into our Wednesday morning. Main threat would be along and southwest of the Highway 82 corridor. Now, this is the same region that picked up the heaviest of the rain from the showers and storms last week, so they have the most waterlogged ground at the moment compared to the rest of central Alabama. They're also expecting the heaviest of the rain tonight, so that would be the greatest area to watch for some flooding concerns. Otherwise, the rest of us, I think, are just going to absorb a lot of the rain that does fall. Now, that steadier rain first entering west central Alabama around 9 o'clock tonight, so again, most of this coming in after you go home for the day and kind of lay down for the night. So that's the good part, is that most of this comes through while we're sleeping. Here's midnight. It's going to be approaching Birmingham Point South on the Interstate 65 corridor. I think the steadiest, heaviest of the rain in Birmingham and Point South will be between midnight and the wee hours of Wednesday morning around 4 or 5 o'clock. But notice by sunrise, 7 o'clock, I think most of this rain is going to actually be moving out of the region. So I think we'll start the day with more clouds and maybe on a drier note for Wednesday morning, some additional showers going into the afternoon, but those will be more scattered and hit or miss. So I mentioned the heaviest of the rain, potentially 2 inches or more, would be Pickens, Green Hill, southern Tuscaloosa, back into Bibb, portions of Chilton County. That area along and west of Highway 82 stands the best chance for those heavier rainfall totals. Meanwhile, up in the Piedmont, around Anniston and up into Cherokee County, not expecting any more than maybe a 1/4 inch of rain. So it's not really going to be a big rainmaker for all of central Alabama, just for portions of us. As we go into the end of this week, though, that same storm system really just kind of gets cut off from the main jet stream, which means it's not going to be moving very fast. It's going to just meander around in the southeast, and this at one point did look like it may trend a little further east and lead to some drier weather for our weekend, but now it's trending back towards the west and gives us a lot of that pull off of the Gulf and the southwestern Atlantic. That would lead to some periods of light showers as we go into our Thursday, Friday, even on Mother's Day weekend, expecting some showers to dot radar from time to time, but most of us are going to be seeing dry weather with temperatures there in the mid-70s.